Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we bring to you a collection of the 7 biggest shipping container homestays and Airbnbs in the United States. Feel free to watch the full videos of each house using the links in the description below. At number 7, Renew Container Homes in Louisville, Kentucky. These amazing homes are located in the trendy Nulu area of Louisville, and each unit is built using 2 40-foot shipping containers with 600 square feet of habitable space. The shipping containers are stacked 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs. The containers are sheared horizontally to create a covered entrance porch below and an exposed terrace above. The entire development consists of 6 residential units built using 12 shipping containers. 4 units are residential and 2 are available to rent through Airbnb. Each container unit opens into a uniquely designed interior space. The house is filled with natural light through the floor-to-ceiling windows. In addition, the large glazed windows can be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation and daylighting, creating a good, relaxed atmosphere during good weather. Past the kitchen is a sparkling, clean bathroom and a cozy bedroom space with all the comforts of a rental house. At number 6, Envase Casa Shipping Container House in Glendale, Utah, United States. This is a 2-story private vacation rental house made out of 6 shipping containers. The containers are stacked 3 downstairs and 3 upstairs. The 3 upstairs are sheared horizontally to create a covered terrace below and an exposed rooftop terrace above, creating a total of 1,920 square feet of habitable space. The main entrance door opens into an open-plan living space. The kitchen is a beautiful space that is fully furnished and equipped with black stainless steel appliances. Next to the kitchen is a sizable dining table that can comfortably sit 4. Located on the main floor and right of the kitchen is the master bedroom ensuite, the largest bedroom in the house. The master bathroom also has a freestanding tub with a rain shower above it. A beautiful metal spiral staircase straddles the entrance lobby leading to the first floor level of the house. The 3 remaining bedrooms in the house all have full-size beds, dressers, closets, a common bathroom, and a roof deck terrace. Number 5. Woodside Container Home in Millersburg, Ohio, United States. Woodside House in Millersburg is built using 4 shipping containers with an introverted design, creating a total of 1,600 square feet of habitable space. 2 40-foot shipping containers are placed side by side and set apart on the ground floor level. A 3rd container is perpendicularly placed above the 2 containers, while a 3rd 20-footer is also placed perpendicularly behind the 40-footer facing the courtyard. The front door opens into a lovely living space. The home's kitchen is a bright modern space updated with pricey premium grade appliances, kitchen cabinets with some overhead open shelving. Off the kitchen is the large bathroom space adjoining the first bedroom, which is accessed via the courtyard. A black metal staircase leads you to the upper story of the house, which has extra bed spaces. On the opposite side of this space is another bedroom that features a king-sized bed, well furnished, perfect for waking up to the views of the pool. At number 4, a 3-story shipping container house in Indianapolis, United States. This magnificent container home is made out of 5 40-foot and 2 20-foot shipping containers, which are stacked 3 stories high to create 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, with a total of 3,200 square feet of habitable space. A glass front door ushers you into an impressive double-volume entrance lobby. Right in front of the lobby is a bright, snazzy galley kitchen, nicely decked out with brand name appliances, enough counter space, and overhead plus under-the-counter storage cabinets. The dining space is furnished with a custom-designed set of chairs and a dining table big enough to sit up to 6 people, ideal for a group setting or a big family. The lounge space features cozy lounge seats, a flat-screen TV, and additional home accessories to make the space good for lounging and entertainment. A wooden staircase connects to the second floor level of the house, which accommodates 3 spacious bedrooms that can sleep up to 6 guests. These 3 bedrooms are served by a lavish modern bathroom that is fitted with all bathroom essentials. A metal spiral staircase from the second level connects to the third floor story of the house, which accommodates a spacious, well-furnished master bedroom. The master bedroom is joined by a lavish master bathroom. The master bedroom opens onto a spacious outdoor terrace space to enjoy outdoor living. The basement is big enough to accommodate a large family room fitted with cozy seats and an office space that can also be converted into an additional bedroom space. The third biggest shipping container Airbnb in this collection is the Whimsical shipping container home in St. Augustine, Florida. The structure of the home is made up of 9 shipping containers. The 2 containers are used as a workshop on the ground floor level with an informal art gallery, while 2 other containers are used purely as decorative elements. 1,600 square feet of living spaces begin on the second floor level with a covered porch, open plan living space with a lounge, a dining, and a fully fitted kitchen. This level also has got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, which are nicely furnished and equipped to make them ideal spaces to go to for a comfortable rest. The entire third level is a master suite fitted with a bedroom, a bathroom, and a home studio. The second and the third floor levels are joined by a staircase, creating an art gallery and also providing access to the roof deck. The second biggest shipping container Airbnb in this collection is the Hooga Box Hop Container House in Rockbridge, Ohio. This is a 5-bedroom container house built using 7 shipping containers. It comprises of 3 40-foot shipping containers and 4 20-footers. This accommodates 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a big living space. The building is covered with an additional roof above the shipping containers to give the house some design flair. The interior is decked out with a Scandinavian decor. The inner container walls were cut out to create an expansive open-plan living space. The open-plan space has the lounge area that is well furnished, featuring a large, comfortable sectional couch, perfect for lounging and entertainment. Next to the living area is a modern dining set, nicely designed out with a wooden dining table. The standing kitchen space is equipped with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, modern under-the-counter and overhead wooden cabinets. The house has got 5 spacious bedrooms located both downstairs and upstairs, plus 4 private balconies, and can accommodate 12 guests at one go. The house is also featured with 2 lavishly and well-appointed bathrooms that provide the much-needed service to the 5 bedrooms. At number 1, the biggest shipping container home in this collection that is also used as an Airbnb is the unique and amazing container rental in Denver, Colorado, United States. The house was constructed using 9 recycled shipping containers with a whopping 4,000 square feet of habitable space. The containers are stacked in 2 pairs, forming a stack of 4 containers on either side, separated by a double volume space roofed to form the great room of the house. The blue painted 9th container, which spans across the vaulted space at the rear. The great room has soaring high-level ceiling at 25 foot high with a lovely sitting area, plus a separate dining space furnished with furniture made by the couple themselves. The house has got 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Out of the 5 bedrooms, there are 3 bedrooms located upstairs, while 2 bedrooms are located downstairs. Which is your favorite shipping container home in this collection? Kindly tell us your preference by posting in the comments section below. If you love shipping container projects or you are planning to build one, you are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we feature amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.